If you're wondering how to become a life coach in Australia, what qualifications you need, whether accreditation really matters, how long it takes, and whether you can actually make money, this video will walk you through it step by step. There's a lot of noise out there. ICF, non-accredited courses, online-only coaching programs, weekend certificates, diplomas, short intensives. I know it can feel overwhelming. I've trained thousands of coaches over the last 15 years, and I've seen what works and I've seen what wastes people's time. So let me simplify this for you. Step one, you need to understand what coaching actually is. Before you enroll anywhere, you need to understand this really clearly. Life coaching is not therapy. It's not mentoring. It's not consulting, although at times you'll do those things. And it's definitely not giving advice. Professional coaching is about helping someone move from where they are to where they want to be. And we do that through structured conversation, powerful questions, accountability, and mindset development. It's future focused, it's goal oriented, and it's built on personal responsibility. Now, if that excites you, you're in the right place. Step two, you need to decide your outcome. You need clarity on this question. Why are you becoming a coach? Are you doing this to add skills to your current career, start a side business, or to build a full-time coaching practice? Because the level of training that you need depends entirely on that decision. If you just want personal growth, which is great, and I encourage that, maybe a short course is going to be enough. But if you want to coach professionally and you want to charge for it, make it a career, you need proper training. Not a weekend certificate that'll leave you underprepared, not something that you do online over a couple of hours. This is where people make the mistake. They underestimate the depth required to be a really good coach, and really good coaches end up being the coaches that become professional coaches. Step three, understand accreditation. Let me try and explain this for you really simply. In Australia right now, coaching is not government regulated. Technically, anyone can call themselves a coach, but globally, the gold standard in coaching is the ICF, the International Coaching Federation. Over 50,000 coaches worldwide hold ICF accreditation. And ICF accreditation means you get structured training hours, you get mentor coaching, you get logged coaching experience, you are assessed on competencies, and there are clear ethical standards. If you're serious about building credibility, especially in leadership coaching, executive coaching, life coaching, ICF aligned pathways, absolutely what you need to look at. It builds skill, it builds trust, and the organizations are also accredited. So the Life Coaching College, we're accredited to be able to deliver you accredited training so you can become accredited. Step four, choose face-to-face or online. Online learning's convenient. I get it. It's flexible, it's accessible, and we sprinkle online training through our face-to-face environment. But let me just pause here for one moment. Face-to-face training builds confidence faster. There's something powerful about practicing coaching in a live room with real feedback, real emotion, real conversations, especially in the early stages. Confidence is everything when you start coaching, and confidence is built through practice, not just theory. And here's the really big one. We now know that students are 8 times more likely to complete if they do a course face-to-face compared to purely online. 8 times more likely to complete. Step five, you got to learn the business side, folks. This is where I find a lot of coaches will just kind of forget about this. They learn coaching skills, but they don't learn how to attract clients, price properly, structure offers, have enrollment conversations, how to market ethically. Biggest mistake I see is people separating coaching skills from business skills, thinking they're two separate things and they don't need both. You do need both if you want a business. The people who succeed are trained in both. If you want coaching to become income, you have to learn how to create income. Coaching and business, they need to go hand in hand. All right. I want to give you a quick reality check. Coaching is not a get rich quick scheme, okay? Anyone who tells you that it is selling a fantasy, but it is one of the most meaningful careers that you can build. Most coaches will start part-time. Maybe they're working 5 days a week and they do it on the side. Then they go to 4 days a week and coach one day. Then they might go to 3 and coach 2 days. You get it. Some transition out of careers they've outgrown. Some move into leadership and executive coaching. What I can tell you is this: it all starts with proper foundations. And when you are excellent, you will always have clients. Okay. When you are excellent, you will always have clients. So your number one thing has to be to become an outstanding coach. All right. If you want a detailed guide on becoming a life coach in Australia, including things like the income ranges, accreditation pathways, what professional training actually involves, we put that together for you. You can download it below. Or if you prefer clarity about your own situation, you can book a conversation with one of our coaches. No pressure, just clarity. And clarity is where everything begins. Okay?